Welcome back, dear children. We ended with the compound noun in the previous session. You remember that? Yes. Now, do you have any doubt in the nouns, compound noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, all that? You please call me, right? Now, I am going to start with the exercises. I am going to give you questions and try to answer for that. Okay, first question is, the book was lying on the table. Here we all know two nouns are there, right? Book is one noun and table is another noun. You tell me, book is a common noun or a proper noun or a collective noun? Book is a common noun is first option. Book is a proper noun is second option. Book is a collective noun, the third option. What is your answer? 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the book was lying on the table. Book is a common noun. Table is also a common noun. Okay, so first option is correct. Shall we move to the next? Love begets love. Love is a common noun, love is a collective noun, love is an abstract noun. What noun? 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Answer is abstract noun. Right? Third question is over. We cannot live without water. So, water is common noun, material noun or abstract noun. What sort of noun here? Yes, it is a what noun? Material noun. But sometimes water comes under common noun also. You notice that? River water, spring water and Kaveri water. So, like common noun also it acts sometimes, right? Here we cannot live without water. Water is a material noun in this particular sentence. Is it clear here? The jury has given its verdict. The jury, is it a collective noun, common noun or an abstract noun? Yes. Very good. Jury is a collective noun. It's a collection of judges, okay, together. Verdict. What is verdict? Verdict is judgment. Okay. Verdict is judgment. Judgment is an abstract noun. Right? Hindus regard Krishna as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The Hindus regards Krishna as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Hindus is a common noun, proper noun or abstract noun? Yes. Hindus regards Krishna. Hindus is a proper noun. Krishna is also a proper noun. Incarnation is a common noun and Vishnu is a proper noun. And by seeing the capital letter itself, you could have identified, right? Yes or no? Very good, yes. So, I am not depending on the options, I am just explaining everything what is there in the sentence, okay. Alcohol is injurious to health. Health is a common noun, an abstract or a proper noun. What noun it is? Alcohol is a material noun. Health is an abstract noun, okay. How is your health? I am feeling healthy, ma'am. Super. All became very fat, ma'am, in this holiday. Super. Good. Smoking is a bad habit. Habit. What type of noun? Abstract noun. Right? Smoking is a bad habit. Habit is an abstract noun. Wild animals live in forest. Animals. What type of noun? common noun. Forest, common noun. The childhood of Peter was full of misery. Childhood. What type of noun? Can you able to see your childhood? No, it is a memory. When I said no, when I was in 7th standard, I played this game activity for nouns, isn't it? In the last session, I told you that. That means what? That is a memory, right? Can you able to see that? Yes? No. So, childhood is an abstract noun, Peter is a proper noun, misery is an abstract noun. Right? Shall we go on to the next question? All the girls were singing. Now, girls is a common noun, proper noun, or an abstract noun. You all know that girl is girls. What is it? Check it out. Girls, common noun. Okay. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is a proper noun, an abstract noun, or a material noun. What it is? Yes. 1, 2, 3 seconds. Over. It is a what noun? Material noun. And the word metal is a common noun. Right? Shall we move to the next? Rice is the staple food of South Indians. Rice is a common noun, material noun, or an abstract noun. What noun it is? Rice is a staple food, rice is a material noun, food is a common noun, and Indians proper noun. Right, children? 13th question. The earth moves round the sun. Earth. What type of noun? Common noun, abstract noun, or proper noun? What it is? Earth is a common noun. Sun is also a common noun. Why it is called so? See here, E and S are in small letter, right? But actually, one more is there. That rule is when we are using, I told you the uniqueness, unique objects in this world can be represented in a capital letter. That is different. Here for your example, we gave earth and sun. For the sake of nouns, we say this as common nouns, right? Now, another one exercise is there. Point out the nouns in the following sentence and say whether they are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, or abstract noun. What type of noun? Everything you have to find out. The noun also you have to point out. Okay. We will give you the sentence alone. We will give you the sentence alone and you have to find out what word is noun there and what type of noun. Okay. Example. First example is given for you. Always speak the truth. In this sentence, truth is an abstract noun. Right? And next is, we all love honesty. What is a noun and identify the type of noun? Yes, honesty, abstract noun. Right? I have 2 children. Right? Children, common noun. The lion is the king of the beast. What is it? Come on, dear. It's time for you. Lion is a common noun. King is also a common noun. Beast is also a common noun. Solomon was the wisest of all kings. Solomon, proper noun. Kings, common noun. So cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. If you are clean, then virus will not affect you. We'll see what it is. Abstract noun. Godliness is also an abstract noun. Birds of a feather flock together. Flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds, common noun. Feather is also a common noun. Who teaches you grammar? Grammar? What noun it is? It is an abstract noun. The Nile is the longest of all rivers. Proper noun. Nile is a proper noun. River, common noun. Right? A committee of 6 was appointed to assess the situation. Now, what noun it is? What noun is applied here? Committee is a collective noun. Situation is an abstract noun. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Come on dear, 3 seconds. Fantastic dear, Jawaharlal Nehru is a proper noun. Prime Minister is a common noun. India is also a proper noun. Right? The boy, then one more doubt I have. You said Prime Minister as a common noun, then why it is in capital letter? Come on, find out the reason. We are giving respect to that post, Prime Minister post, right? Whenever principal, we are writing principal, secretary, chairman, all these we will write what letter? Capital. We will write in capital letter. Starting will be capital letter. It is the respect given to that particular post, right? But actually it is a common noun. There are some exceptions. That also you have to understand. For that only I discussed here, right? The boy was rewarded for his honesty. What it is? Boy is a common noun. Honesty is an abstract noun. He gave me an apple. Common noun. What is a common noun? Here, apple. I recognized his voice at once. Voice, abstract noun. You should never tell a lie. Lie is an abstract noun. Wisdom is better than riches. Wisdom is abstract noun. Riches is also abstract noun. Yes, wisdom and riches both are abstract. He is on the jury. That means what? Jury, you already saw it is a collective noun in the previous exercise. Silver and gold are precious element, precious metals. What noun? Silver, gold are all material noun and the metal is a common noun. Still water run deep. Waters here, common noun, are otherwise called as material noun here. Why it is called a material noun? Waters, still water, running water, so we are calling that as common noun. Right? Material noun because water is a material which is used to drink. Right? Based on the sentence, it will differ. Is it clear? Next is the cackling of geese saved Rome. So, cackling here refers to the loud laugh. When villain is laughing, how you will feel? That sort of laugh. Cackling of geese. Now, cackling is an abstract noun. Geese is common noun and Rome is a proper noun. Tubal Cain was a man of might. So, Tubal Cain is a proper noun and man is a common noun. Old habits die hard. Habits, you know, proper noun. Early bird catches the worm. Bird is a common noun. Worm, common noun. It was Edison who invented phonograph. Edison is a proper noun. Phonograph, common noun. You can't jump the ocean dry. Ocean is a common noun. Thank you, dear children. And we successfully completed our Noun.